Hey guys, just a little continuation to the repair to the bell housing. The JB welds all dried up there. So this is one side. I'll show you the other side here. So this is the other side. As you can see, I started sanding it down a little bit. And this is just showing the underside of it. So you can see how much I actually had to use to repair this crack. And I'll insert a clip after this of the crack there. If you didn't see my last video on showing the actual crack in the bell housing, but it was quite extensive, and it appears to be spot welded or brazed by the owner before the fellow that I bought it from, and again, this was done years and years ago. So this is the paint that I've used on the tractor. It's made by Armor Coat, a rust paint, and this is called Fire Red, and I have a new paintbrush. I was going to spray it on, but it's underneath the tractor, so I'm not too concerned. And again, I sanded it down a little bit. I'm not trying to mask this repair. If I ever sell it down the road, I'll certainly let the new owner know that this was repaired. I don't want to take too much of the JB weld off. I'd sooner have it thicker and not all sanded off. So I'm going to mix up the paint, and we'll get touching up this spot. Alright, so I have the bag covering part of the exhaust. I know it's rusty, but that will get touched up later on. So I'm putting Alright, just doing the other side. And it seems to be covering really good. And I'll probably give it another heavy coat. So the crack's all repaired and all repainted. I'll show you from underneath. And this is the other side. You can really barely even notice that I did the repair there. Alright, this is from underneath the tractor. Again, I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Again, I didn't want to grind off too much of the JB weld. I'd sooner have it a little thicker than smoother. Again, with the metal on the tractor anyways, it's quite rough underneath with the casting. But as you can see, it turned out really well. Quite pleased with it. And again, I'll keep an eye on it to make sure the crack doesn't open up. If it does, then I'll take it out to my brother's shop and get it all brazed or welded properly. So again, this has been like this for many years before the last owner owned it. So that's it for the repair to the bell housing on the 52 Ford 8N. I'm going to let it dry for a couple hours before I start up the tractor and put it back in the other side of the garage where it belongs, and I use this side for parking in. Again, really happy with the way that it turned out. Blended in really nice underneath the bell housing under the tractor there. You can barely notice that it was repaired. Again, I'm not trying to cover up a issue with the tractor. I'll certainly let the new owner know about it if I ever decide to sell it way down the road, if in fact I ever do. Next project for the tractor is a new battery, and I'll probably put some new plugs in the tractor too. And I also need to put a new air intake hose. I believe the new ones are metal, so I'm going to put a new hose on going to the carburetor from the airbox. So that'll be one of the next projects. Anyways guys, just a short video on repairing the major crack in the bell housing under the 5248N. Thanks for watching guys. If you're interested in this type of video, you may want to check out my channel and subscribe. Take care.